All right, guys, welcome to another morning at On the Bottom Fishing. We're gonna go out this morning and try to find them monsters. We're gonna get on the redfish this morning, see what we can do. Out here with my old buddy this morning. Hoping to have a good day. So y'all stay tuned.
That's a keeper right there, son.
Looky there. First one in the boat for this morning.
Good fishing. Hey, buddy.
There's number two.
What's up, buddy?
Hey, hold him up. I missed the video. There we go. There we go. Heck yeah.
Damn, these are good ones.
There's another one on the boat.
Before you can touch it.
Awkward video, but hey, my first one on the boat today. I'm not getting smoked.
Hey, right behind me here, my net. I'm gonna need it. All right.
Yeah, I got the pole.
Take a chance of losing him. I got it. Woo, he's gonna be close. He's going. Ah.
All right, guys. Well, we made it back in. We had a good day on the water today. We caught a bunch of fish. Able to bring some keepers home. Caught a bunch of real nice black drum today. A couple of decent redfish. One keeper. Of course, the one that always gets away. But all in all, it was a great day on the water. Until next time, tight lines and good times, y'all.